Hi there, and welcome back to the reveal from the last 3 bags of the TPS seedlings from Andean crossed to Blå Congo. Curious to see if the pattern of scabby purple ones and scab-free reddish ones will continue. That's a big root ball that's left, and no potatoes except this one and another one. So this one is obviously a very late plant. The root ball is still intact. There is some juicy stolons left and very little harvest. It just didn't get to make potatoes before blight and frost came. So it's kind of sad because these are purple with yellow areas on them, quite beautiful, but such extremely late varieties are just out of my climate zone, so probably not going to give it a second chance. And big scabby potato. So that's really quite a range of characteristics in this cross. Lots of different potatoes coming up. Yeah, great harvest, but far too scabby to keep. Just wouldn't be fun to peel these. And the last bag. Some murky gray color and scabby. And quite an interesting shape. Comparing them to the more regular shaped ones. So when breeding potatoes from the same seed, from the same berry and the same cross, that's possible to have such different results. So yeah, 3 full siblings looking completely different. Probably none of them as a keeper, but still interesting to see. So let's have a look how they look inside. Looking at these, the really pretty one with the tiny harvest, it's kind of sad that it didn't make bigger tubers, because I bet that these would look really beautiful once they grow bigger, but it's a very late plant, and with my climate being realistic, it's just not worth to continue with it. The other two are very scabby, and the blight got into the tubers. So there you can see what happens to tubers where the blight gets in. It starts to rot from the growing end, and this happens quite quickly. So it's not worth keeping it with the scab and the blight issues, and the inside color isn't too great either. Here we had a slug eating on the tuber. So but the color distribution in the tubers is quite interesting with this cross. The marbled results are kind of neat. They dilute the color once they're cooked, but sometimes it gives a nice lavender shade or nice pink shade, depending on if it's blue or purple. But I think here we don't have a keeper. I'll continue with the red marbled 2 varieties that I got from it from the last reveals, and these ones are all discards, and not sure if I can find a not rotten tuber for a taste test here. Probably not. So yep, those 3 bags were not too good, but I'm happy with the results from the cross and happy to get 2 keepers out of it. So thank you for watching. We're moving on in the next reveal to the next cross, so let's see what's in there. Probably in the next couple of days. We're having some rainy weather coming in, so not sure when I'm going to do the next reveal. See you, and thanks for watching. Bye!